Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by stopping the capture right now. First, confirm you are allowed to stop recording. Legality matters. Next, find the active recording control in the call UI or system tray. Tap the stop recording button or flip the system toggle. Do it decisively. Once done, check the UI changes, red indicator should disappear, and a confirmation message often appears. If the app asks to save, decline or delete the file immediately. This prevents further data collection and begins cleanup. Once recording is stopped, address any persisted files. Open the app's storage location or file manager. Recordings can be temporary or final. Delete the file and then empty the app's trash or overwrite it with a 0-byte file if you need irrecoverability. Make sure to clear the app cache and any cloud sync copies, otherwise the audio may persist elsewhere. After that, check a fresh file list and restart the app. If you keep logs, redact entries referring to the recording to avoid accidental recovery. Finish by verifying the stop was complete. Look for active indicators, background processes, or cloud backups and remove them. Reboot the device and recheck storage so temporary files are released and rescans clear caches. If you still see recordings, revoke microphone and storage permissions for the app, then test another call. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall the app. That clears persistent settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if deletion fails, revoke permissions first. That often prevents apps.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.